View new homes. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss new awesome homes like these.
Welcome to your dream home, a tranquil lakefront camp that promises serenity and comfort. As we begin our tour, imagine yourself on the porch, basking in the peaceful ambience, your eyes feasting on the shimmering waters of the lake. Our first stop is the heart of the home, a notably expansive living room. This space is graced with beautiful knotty pine and features a wood stove as its focal point, inviting you to cozy nights spent with family and friends. Adjacent to the living room, we find a fully equipped kitchen complete with an island that offers extra counter space and additional storage. This kitchen is ready to inspire your culinary adventures and facilitate memorable meals. The home boasts 3 comfortable bedrooms, each promising a restful retreat after a day spent enjoying the great outdoors. A full bath completes the indoor amenities, ensuring all your needs are met. Now, let's step outside where you'll likely spend a lot of your time. The property boasts 2 screened porches, perfect for enjoying the outdoors without worrying about the elements. The home sits on 1.85 acres of beautiful land, offering ample space for outdoor activities. Storage won't be an issue here. The property comes with 2 sizable sheds, perfect for storing all your camping gear and lawn equipment. This lakefront camp is more than just a home, it's a lifestyle. Price by the time of recording this video was at $249. It's an opportunity to turn your dream into a reality. So don't miss out. Make this lakefront camp your own and start creating unforgettable memories. Welcome home. If you like this home and want to contact an agent for viewing, please click on the link in the description under property link.